Hello Biomeds. Welcome to BiomedXplorer YouTube channel. We are here to provide you with interesting concepts and innovative informations in biomedical by creating awesome videos. We are much excited to share our knowledge with you all. In today's video, you will learn about ECG electrode system and electrode placement. There are 4 types of ECG electrode system. They are 3-lead electrode system, 5-lead electrode system, 6-lead electrode system, and 12-lead electrode system. This image shows you the electrode placement positions in the limb leads. Electrodes can be placed on the right arm, right leg and left leg in 2 different positions. Let's see each electrode system in detail. The first one is the 3-lead electrode system. Consists of 3 electrodes, which helps us to monitor the bipolar leads, lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3. The 3 electrodes are placed on the right arm and left leg. 5-lead electrode system. This system consists of 5 electrodes. In 5-lead system, we monitor the bipolar leads and chest leads. The 5 electrode positions are the right arm, right leg, left leg, and 1 chest electrode position on the 4th right intercostal space. 6-lead electrode system. Consists of 6 electrodes to monitor bipolar leads and augmented leads. The 6 electrodes include the right arm, right leg, left leg and 2 chest electrodes, which is the combination between positions V1 and V6. 12-lead electrode system. 12-lead electrode system consists of 10 electrodes, 4 limb electrodes and 6 precordial, or chest electrodes. They help us to monitor the bipolar leads, augmented leads as well as chest leads. Here you can see the list of 10 electrodes that are used in 12-lead electrode system. The following image shows you 12-lead electrode positions. 4 limb electrodes and 6 chest electrodes. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Follow us in our social media platforms Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and WhatsApp. Links are given in the description below. You can also visit our blog www.biomedexplorer.blogspot.com. Stay tuned for a next new video. Thanks from BiomedXplorer.